So far, we have learned individual SolidWorks features step by step. But real skill is tested when you combine everything in structured problem. Namaste dosto. Welcome back to Control and Create. Until now, we have covered sketching fundamental, extrude, cut, revolve, sweep, loft, and practice problems. From today onwards, we'll begin solving structured modeling problems inspired by Certified SolidWorks Associate CSWA-Level. These are not official exam questions but practice problems designed in the same structured format to help you improve modeling logic and confidence. In today's problem, we'll focus on basic sketch tools, symmetry, extruded boss base, a central hole, and step geometry. Even though the part looks simple, the key is clean modeling and correct feature order. So here we have top view, front view, and the side view. So this is your front view. So we'll start by modeling this, and we have all the necessary dimensions that are required to model this part. So we'll start by sketching the top view. So let's start from top plane. So they have clearly mentioned the origin. First, make the sketch of this top view, and then we'll extrude it. So let's start. First, we'll start by making this cylinder. So the outer diameter of the cylinder is 65 mm and the inner diameter is 45 mm. Give the dimensions. So we have made this sketch for this cylinder, and now we'll make this fork type shape. For that, they have mentioned the length of this from center of the cylinder to this section is 100 mm. So we'll first make that. Make a construction line which is of 100 mm. Convert into the construction geometry. Give the dimensions. Again select line. Select midpoint line. Select this. Give the dimensions. So the dimension of this section is 35 mm. And now we'll make this section. Select line from here to here. Again here to here. And now we'll select this line. Hold shift. Select the outer circle. Select make tangent. We'll do the same for this also. Select line, hold shift, select the outer cylinder and make tangent. And here you have trim command, trim entities, trim the unnecessary lines, this and this. And now we'll make this inner slot. So the length of this straight slot is 32 mm and the diameter is 5 mm. They have clearly mentioned here. So select straight slot, go to the here, get the dimensions 5 mm. Give the length from here to here is 35 mm and remove the unnecessary part, trim entities. Also remove this, remove this. So we have completed the basic sketch and now we'll make the back portion of it. So it's a rectangle just coming out of the cylinder which is of 30 mm breadth. So the length from the center of the cylinder to the end of this section is 55 mm. So we'll subtract the radius of this outer cylinder to the 55 mm, then we'll get the length of this section. To the rectangle command, stretch the construction geometry, convert into the construction, make a rectangle, centered rectangle. The breadth is 30 mm. And that length is of 55 mm. And now trim the unnecessary part. Okay, then okay. And now we'll extrude this. So the thickness, so the height is 20 mm and the height of the cylinder is 40 mm. Go to the feature, extrude. Go to the select contour, select the close contours, and then extrude till 20 mm. Then press OK. So up to this, it extruded, and now we have to extrude this cylinder. So as a beginner, you will have a doubt: should we make the another sketch above it and then extrude it again? There's not a need to do that thing again. You just go to the previous feature that you have performed it, extrude boss space, select this drop down menu. You will have a sketch here. Right click on it and click show. So now this sketch is visible. Again, go to the extrude boss space, don't do anything. Select the sketch, and if in your case it's not like this, then you can just again come to the select contour and select the respective contour that you want to extrude it. So in my case it's selecting the entire thing, but I don't want the inner part since it's a hollow. So I'll remove that, left click on it and extrude it till 40 mm. Then press OK. And then you can hide that sketch. That's it. And one thing is remaining, that they have given the fillet here of 5 mm radius. So we'll also give that fillet. Select those fillet. Select those sections. Give the fillet radius 5 mm and then press OK. So we have completed our sketch. Let's view in an isometric view. So this is what we have created from our drawing.